If you're thinking about adding a KOHLER Bidet seat to your toilet, consider these 4 key factors to ensure the perfect fit and compatibility for your space. First and foremost, determine your toilet bowl shape to ensure that your bidet seat selection is compatible with your existing setup. Most toilets come in one of 2 standard shapes, a round front or an elongated. A round front bowl is more compact, while an elongated bowl is longer and offers more seating space. Measure the distance from the center of the seat mounting holes to the front edge of the bowl. For a round front bowl, this distance is typically about 16.5 inches or 419 millimeters. For an elongated bowl, it's around 18.5 inches or 470 millimeters. Second, it's time to think about the features you'd like on your bidet. This is where you'll decide if you're looking for the basics, perhaps just warm water cleansing and a heated seat, or if you want the very best, including advanced features like warm air drying, a nightlight, and user presets. Your wish list of features will help determine which models are compatible with your lifestyle and budget. Next, consider the bidet seat control options. Would you prefer a bidet seat control panel integrated within the side of the seat? Or would you rather have a sleek handheld remote for added convenience? They both work great, it's just a matter of personal preference. Finally, consider your bathroom's electrical capabilities. Most of the advanced features we've discussed today are found on our E-Series bidet seats. If you're looking for a simple, more affordable option with no power required, then our M-Series manual bidet seats are right for you. For more details on bidet seat compatibility and a comprehensive comparison chart, visit KOHLER.com and navigate to any bidet seat product page. Thank you for joining me today to explore KOHLER Bidet seats.